How to hide your text messages on your iPhone lock screen. Hello guys, so let us get started. First of all, open up your settings. After you open your settings, scroll down till you find the notifications setting and tap on notifications. Now here, there is nothing really you need to do right here, but you'll need to scroll down, and for this you'll need to go to a specific app which you want to hide the text message of. Now you can go through each and every one of the apps here. So let me search for simple apps like messages. So let me go, or Instagram, that works too. Go to Instagram. Let me turn this on first. Now the time sensitive notification does not really matter in this case, but the one that we want to change is right here. Now under this, if you want to hide your text messages completely from your lock screen, you can simply turn this lock screen option off. Now what this does is you will still be getting notifications on your notification center and banners when your phone is unlocked, but when your phone is locked, you will not get the notifications on the lock screen. You'll still get the sounds and badges though, and yeah, that is basically it. So you can turn this lock screen on. Now here under lock screen appearances, there is something else that you can do. You'll see the show preview. Now if you want to know that the notification is there but you don't want the content to be shown, that is when this comes in. If you select this on never, you will not get any previews of the text messages. So for example, someone sent you a message, you will not get the idea who sent the message and who sent what. So that's how it works. So you can turn this to never too, and that works too. Or you can simply turn this notification on the lock screen off altogether. Now yeah, that is basically how you hide text messages on iPhone lock screen, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for this video.